Section G, problem 2. We'll start with this square, then create one of these features and use a linear pattern to pattern this around the square. So let's start. Top plane, center rectangle. This is 246 and 246. You can add fillets, 18 mm, 1, 2 and 3, and then last one of 35 mm. Now we can sketch here. And give dimensions. This is 26, this is 16, 18. Let's constrain this on this point. This will be on this line. Give a tangent mate. This distance is 22. Now just select this and make equal. Then select this line, make equal with this one. Now it is constrained. We can add the fillets. Fillets are of 5 mm. And done. Now we can go to extrude. Extrusion is 5 mm. Done. Now we can make a feature here, and to make it we need a plane. So let's go to reference, select plane, and you can show the axes from your reference axes. So you can select this axis. So let's select this plane and this axis. We can make this parallel. Done. Now we will sketch on this plane, extend it. We can just convert this line in this plane. Control 8. This line you can make for construction. Give dimensions. This is 4. This radius is 15. So this constraint. Now we can go to revolve base. This is correct, so okay. We can hide the plane now and hide the reference axes. Now we can go to linear pattern, selecting this, then select the direction that you need to pattern. This is the first direction and this would be the second direction. Now the distance between each instance is 30 in both the directions, so write 30. Flip the direction and flip it again. You need 8 instances in both the directions. Now we don't need these 3, so we can go down and select instances to skip and select these 3 circles. So they will be skipped. Then okay. So the pattern is complete. Now we can add the fillets on the edge. These are 1.5 mm on the top edge and the bottom edge. So the part is complete. We can edit the material. This is non-metals, rubber. Apply. Let's check the mass. 334.75. Let's check with the answer. 334.75. So this is correct. Next part in the next video. Thank you.